On October 3, 1990, the world witnessed a miracle. After 45 years of division, Germany was finally whole again. Today, we explore the story of German reunification, a tale of walls, hopes, and the people who refused to be divided. When World War II ended in 1945, Germany was split into 4 occupation zones. The Cold War soon turned this division into 2 nations: the capitalist Federal Republic of Germany in the west, and the socialist German Democratic Republic in the east. At the heart of this divide stood Berlin, a city cut in half by concrete and barbed wire, the Berlin Wall. Families were torn apart, and freedom was denied. By the 1980s, cracks began to appear. Economic stagnation, political repression, and the success of reform movements in Eastern Europe ignited change. In 1989, the impossible happened: the Berlin Wall fell. People from both East and West flooded the checkpoints, embracing each other in tears. The world knew that the end of the Cold War was near. But tearing down the wall was only the beginning. Negotiations had to follow. Would East Germany join the West? Could the Allies agree? Through the 2+4 talks, involving East and West Germany, plus the 4 Allied powers, a deal was struck. Germany would reunify, and its sovereignty would be restored. And then came October 3, 1990. Flags rose, bells rang, and crowds gathered at the Brandenburg Gate. East and West Germans sang the national anthem together, no longer as 2 peoples, but as one. It was not just a political act, but a deeply emotional moment: the healing of a nation, and the rebirth of Europe. German reunification was not the end of all challenges. Economic disparities and social tensions remained. But October 3 stands as a symbol of hope, that even walls made of concrete and ideology can crumble before the will of people. This is the story of unity, a reminder that freedom and togetherness can overcome division.